Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple paper airplane. All you need is one piece of paper. Alright, what you want to do first is fold the paper hot dog style. Same length. Get a good crease. So get something like this. Then what you want to do is open it up. Then with the left corner, you want to fold it inwards to that line where you folded it. Plus this paper airplane goes pretty far. So you want to fold that inwards, then do the same exact thing onto the line. So it's equally creased. So you get like this. Then what you want to do is fold one of the corners inwards again. Okay, I'll show you one. Fold it, and so it exactly gets like this. The corner folded in, so you got like a triangle. Then you do the same exact thing the other side. Okay, so you get like this. Then what you want to do is fold the two together. So you get something like this, like a triangle. Then what you want to do is with one of the corners, you want to fold it downwards. So it's like this. It's a little backwards, and you fold it this one downwards. Here, I'll do it, and I'll show you it. See? You fold it downwards like this. Then you do the same with the other side. It has to be good creases if you want it to fly pretty good. Alright, and you got your paper airplane, then all you gotta do, fold it open like this. Alright, and you got your paper airplane. Now let's go do a test fire. As you can see, there's a TV. I'm gonna throw it. And I said that flew like 20 feet. Alright, that's how you make paper airplane.